In the Comparison of Shapes project, students will conduct a self-directed investigation into the properties of shapes. This project serves as a dynamic alternative to worksheets where students fill in the blank with information about shapes, for example, that the square has 4 sides. The project starts by empowering students to research various shapes and their unique properties. As students research, they ask questions about what they discovered and what else they need to know. Using the component tool, students define each shape and their unique properties with text, media, and tags to classify the information. Each property will appear as a branch connected to the component. This process is based on computational thinking, where engineers break problems down into component parts and define their characteristics to apply knowledge of the components to solve problems. After students have defined all the shapes, using the event tool, students document the steps of the formula used to calculate the area and perimeter of each shape. This exercise helps visualize the process involved in calculating a formula. Now that the students have documented the shapes and formulas, it's time to apply their knowledge. First, students will create a mind map showing the hierarchy of polygons and how the shapes relate to each other. This mind map is created by reusing the components the students defined on the previous tab and minimizing the characteristic branches. The components are then connected using the relationship tool to show how the shapes are related to each other. Then students will compare the shapes in a table. The y-axis consists of shapes, and the x-axis consists of the tags the students use to classify the shape's properties, including sides and angles, and the cells are filled in with the text from the students' component branches. Students can search the database of all the project assets they created to find the right piece of information, add it to the workspace, place it in the correct spot, and format the text to color code it. Finally, students will select a shape to profile in detail, reusing media and text they created in previous tabs. The profile should resemble a social media profile with information about the shape's family and properties. The Shapes lesson plan corresponds with a related model project featuring sample student work. Reference the model project to see what your students' work may look like as they complete the project for themselves. Ready to get started? Watch a brief tutorial video to clone and assign this project to your class.